know Guardian of Green can also help people?
And do you know colorblind people need guidance of green?
In our mini documentary, we will show you how Garden of Green and the nature bring happiness to colorblind people.
So, let's go!
Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about colors. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher!
Aisha, stand up. What color is it?
It's black.
It's black.
No!
Garden of Green is a group of people who bring changes to other people. Instead of simply planting the trees themselves, they give opportunity to the people and make change happen as a community, generating buzz and inspiring more people to plant trees in their area.
The colorblind people have low self-confidence, always feel sad and alone. They always separate themselves from others. The colorblind people need some changes to make them happy. Colorblindness is a special disability. And usually, colorblind people see colors differently than most people. If people can see the colorful rainbow, colorblind people can only see the black rainbow.
Today, we will show you how Guardian of Green bring color to a girl's life and change her by using trees and green. Am I stupid? I don't know what is green and I don't know what is red. Ah! It's so stressful.
La 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 la. These plants are so green. I love it.
Green? Alicia, wait!
Yes, Aisha. May I help you?
Just now you said these two are green, right?
Yes, you're right. This one is green. This one also green. All plants in the world are green.
So it's nature green?
Clever. Nature is green. I've got two green. One for me and one for you.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. This your present.
Thank you, Alicia.
You are welcome. Sorry, Aisha. I think I need to go now. See you again. Goodbye.
Bye. Now I know what green is it. Aha! That is green. That is green. This is green. All around of me is green. I love green. Green is my happiness. La 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 la. I want to meet my green. Ah! Oh, just right, my green.
What's wrong, Aisha? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just my happiness is gone.
Your happiness? Do you mean your green?
Yes, my green is gone. Oh, my mom is here. I've got to go. Bye.
Okay, Aisha. Take care.
Friends, we need to help Aisha.
But how? We don't have money. We don't have power.
We don't need money or power, we just need
Nature and green.
absolutely yes. We are Guardian of Green who bring green to those who are in need. We will bring back Aisha's happiness. Guardian of Green, let's do it!
Aisha, we got something for you.
What is it?
Close your eye first.
Okay.
Come and follow me. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Wow, there are so many green here. I'm so happy. Thank you, my guardian of green.
No problem, Aisha.
Some people think nature is not important, but we need to remember nature is important to some people. Nature is free, green is free, it is rich and full of happiness and luxury. Give calmness and hope to others.
So guys, remember, we don't need money, we don't need power.
We need each other to be
Guardian